Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your IRA contribution limits with IRS tools, detailed guide step by step clearly. To verify your IRA contribution limits, start by visiting the IRS website. Look for the search bar at the top of the page. Type in IRA contribution limits and hit enter. Select the relevant link that discusses IRA contribution limits for the current tax year. Review the section that outlines the limits based on your age and filing status. Make a note of the standard contribution limits for traditional and Roth IRAs. If applicable, check for catch-up contribution limits for those over age 50. Next, gather your tax documents and any previous IRA contribution records. This will help you assess how much you have already contributed this year. Now, return to the IRS website and look for their Retirement Topics page. Scroll down until you find the section titled Contributions to Individual Retirement Arrangements, IRAs. This section take note of any income limits that might affect your Roth IRA contributions. If you qualify for deductions on your traditional IRA, verify those eligibility criteria too. For additional clarity, utilize the IRS Interactive Tax Assistant tool. Search for IRA contribution limits within the tool. Answer the series of questions regarding your income and filing status. This will help you determine your maximum allowable contributions. After evaluating your information, compare it against your existing contributions. If you find discrepancies, consult a tax professional or financial advisor. Finally, document all findings and keep them for your records. This will ensure you stay within the IRS guidelines for future contributions. Following these steps will help you effectively verify your IRA contribution limits. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.